girl, hey, welcome back to another video. So today I will be installing this beautiful Undetectable HD Lace from WowAfrican Hair. Now this Undetectable HD Lace comes with a clean hairline and clean bleached knots. Also, I don't know if you girls can tell, this wig also came with a pre-plucked hairline. So I pretty much did not do anything to this wig off camera. This is what you should expect when you order this wig from WowAfrican Hair. So let's get into it and let's talk about it. And of course, before I do any type of styling, I am going to secure the wig down by, of course, using some got2b hairspray. And look at this hairline, y'all. I love me a wig that has been plucked to perfection. And I love me a wig that has a HD or an invisible look. So here I am basically cutting off the lace. I am cutting in a zigzag motion just to get a more natural look around the hairline. So I am going to go ahead and part the wig. Again, this is a 10x6 lace frontal wig, no, 13x6, I'm sorry, deep parting lace frontal wig. And as you can see, I can pretty much part the wig anywhere and I get nothing but a super clean part. And of course, for today's look, I'm going to be doing a bust down middle part. And of course, this install is going to have light baby hairs, so I am using a wax stick just to smooth everything out and know exactly where I want my baby hairs to fall. And I also love that this wig is plucked to perfection, so it makes it super easy to pull out the baby hairs. And look at how natural this hairline looks, like super natural. Okay girl, so now that I got the wig tied down and secured, I'm going to move on to styling the hair. Now for this wig, I am just going to be straightening the hair. The original texture of this hair is straight, by the way. So yeah, I'm going to just straighten the hair into sections. Okay girl, so now I got the wig styled and straightened, so next I'm going to move on to these baby hairs. And also just securing the wig down or tying the wig down helps with the lace blending into the skin. So now I'm going to be using a small flat iron to curl up my baby hairs. Now I've seen people curl baby hairs up and inward, but I can't really tell the difference, so I just stick to flipping the baby hairs up. And so to secure the baby hairs, I'm going to be using some Got to Be Glue gel, of course, which also adds extra hold. Okay, so the description says that this wig is 22 inches. No, this wig is more like a 16, 18 inch, and that's kind of pushing it. The ends do look kind of thin, so I am going to clip the ends just to get a more clean cut look, and then I'm going to go in with the flat iron just to bump those new cut ends. And of course, you girls know I love myself some concealer, so I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer just to clean up the part and define it a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in with some oil sheen just to slick down the hair and the baby hairs. So yeah girl, this is pretty much the final look. Super melted and undetected HD lace. I'll make sure I have all the purchasing information below in the description bar. I highly recommend this wig. So cute. Love the natural look of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you girls in the next video.